Hey everyone, guys. If you are seeing, this dreaded, Cash App not available in your region message, guys, don't worry. I'll explain why this actually happens and how you might be able to fix it or basically work around it, all right? So, first off, all right, this issue only occurs usually because Cash App is only officially available in the United States, as you can see here, US, and the United Kingdom. So if you are actually, trying to access it from a region outside these countries, you'll actually encounter a restriction. Okay, this restriction right here. So here's what you can actually try if you still want to use Cash App. So one is you can actually use a VPN. So basically, a virtual private network can actually, change your location to actually appear as if you're in the US or the UK. You can download a trusted VPN app, set your location to the US or UK and try accessing a Cash App again. Okay. And then you can also create a new account, a new Cash App account. So if you're temporarily in an unsupported region, you can create your Cash App account while connected to a VPN and just set your region to US or UK. But the thing is, guys, you will need a number. You will need either US number or UK number to actually pull this out. I've actually tried it. The VPN thing works. You just need a US or UK number. All right. And then, guys, you can also, you know, switch to an alternative app. So if Cash App actually remains unavailable, you can actually consider using other money transfer apps like there's PayPal, there's Venmo, or actually Wise, okay, which might work in your region. Wise works in almost every region, PayPal, and you can use also Venmo. Anyways, guys, it's important to note that using a VPN might not guarantee full functionality as okay, look, Cash App's system is actually designed to detect regional discrepancies. Anyways, guys, that is it. So hopefully one of these solutions will actually help you. And guys, if this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. And I'll see you guys in the next video.